Just leaving Taroa and we're going a heady 2.2 nautical miles towards Pigotti or Pigotti Island to see what the snorkeling's like. We've got the head sail out and we're doing 4.5 knots. Not shabby.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes.
Here we are, anchor down at Pigotti Island. It's got several different names on the charts and it looks beautiful. Rob's in, having a snorkel on our anchor, which I believe is over there somewhere. What's occurring?
It's laundry day.
Because our washing machine's dead, isn't it?
Yep. It's spun its last, so we're now hand washing.
Which is about as much fun as poking yourself in the eye with a blunt daffodil, really, isn't it?
Yeah, well we had a lot of rain yesterday, so we actually collected, this is all just rainwater, so it's free.
Ta-da!
Pretty good, eh?
The wringing out stage.
Yep.
The hand washing bit's not too bad, it's just I miss the spin dryer because they're dripping wet, aren't they?
Oh, they're a little bit damp, but it's a nice sunny day. I'm being an optimist.
I like that. Going ashore and making it up. We were on the boat all day yesterday and it's cabin fever. Time to get off.
Hard sand as well, I think.
Oh, it is actually. Yes, sinking a little bit. Tide's going out still, Tiger, so yeah. We should be okay there. We've come ashore to try and find Daisy. Woohoo! Hut here, and we assume there's nobody in it at the moment. Are we assuming it's probably used by the fishermen, that come in? Little solar panel there. Yeah, it looks like it. Let's see if we can have a walk through the jungle to the other side. Yep, you can see the sea. Ah yes, loads of plastic on the seaward side. Plastic for days. On the windward side, seaward side. I knew what I meant. Always flip-flops. Fishing floats, plastic bottles, styrofoam, you name it, it's all here. Gosh, the not so pretty side of paradise. Wow. Beautiful out here, apart from the plastic.
Just walking around and there'll be an artillery shell on the reef. Quite a few of them lying around.
Nothing like a casual stroll on the beach and coming across a bomb or two, is there?
Yeah.
First flight in the Marshall Islands.
Yeah.
We've been too close to airports, haven't we?
Challenge.
It's a little bit windy, but we'll see how she goes.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
can see where the rising sea levels have just come in above the high tide line and then just worn away the bank, and all these palm trees have just fallen over.
Yep.
This is what's left of the concrete jetty. It's in about the same state of repair as the one down at Taroa. And another, what looks like a fisherman's hut here. Oh! Just scared the chickens. A bomb crater here. And a building through the trees over there that we think might have been the old generator house.
This large building housed 3 generators, and it was built on this island for protection from the World War II air raids. It supplied energy to Taroa and the airfield through an undersea cable over 3 miles long. The area around it is scattered with bomb craters, but the main generators survived the attacks.
So this is something to do with the generator plant. Stuff everywhere, isn't there? It's a nice little walk on the beach, isn't it?
Very nice.
Little explore of Pigotti Island. Just wending our way out through the little channel, sort of trumpet fishing. Which is most convenient because it's low tide.
Having explored the island, it was time to do some snorkelling. We set off in Dave and found a lovely coral garden with an abundance of fish and a very curious octopus.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters, without shame, I will let you into my mind's deep. Recover the fallen tears that have been long asleep. The lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh, stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, for real-time updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And if you'd like to help support our journey, go to our Ko-fi page. The link is in the description below.